Good evening, everybody. Fayman Steve here once again. It is Monday, August the 5th, and this is my 16-inch Toastmaster box fan made by McGraw-Edison. And I'm sure that this is a product of the McGraw-Edison company. I have made a video of this several times already, and I have even told you that I'm going to be doing a little project on this eventually. This has been sitting on my shelf pretty much ever since the last video that I did of it, and that was probably about 3 or 4 months ago. You see there from where it's been collecting dust, sitting on my shelf. And it was in use just this evening. I bought this fan probably about 3 years ago. I bought it off of eBay, and as you can see, this fan has been through quite a lot. I've also restored it one time as well. It was originally like a avocado green color, and I painted it a dark hunter green, and I painted the guards a white enable. Paint is still pretty good. I may have to touch up again eventually. It did make it very well during the move. I had it boxed and packed up really well. Other than that, it had just been sitting around most of the time. It's been a while since I had cleaned or oiled this thing. It does not have the original blade set anymore. Actually, I think that is long gone now. That's not with me anymore. Chances are it probably wasn't even worth saving. The blade was really out of balance, and no matter what I did to it, it wouldn't get any better. So I just end up replacing it off of a Catalina desk fan. Actually, that I still have boxed up around here somewhere, and that'll be next on my list that I'll be getting a video of. But nonetheless, it works really well. It's a little bit smaller than what the original was, but it still puts out a good decent amount of air. It's not particularly quiet, but nonetheless, it's still it has the same function as what it would have before. This is a handle that I put on it. I salvaged that off of an old heater many years back. The original handle to it was busted, so I replaced it with this one. Luckily, it still had the original knob. That's a really cool looking switch knob there too, by the way. This is a 3-speed, by the way. Here's the back of the fan. There's the inside of the motor. I don't know what type of motor this is. Actually, I think these were made specifically for these fans, so it's probably a Toastmaster. These windings look to be in really good shape, still good and shiny. Exposed shaft there. Considering this really wasn't ran all that much since the last time I serviced it, I do intend on servicing it again, so this is going to be like an inspection video. You can see the leads coming out there. That's how it's mounted on with 2 bolts. Little ding there, but that's easily replaceable. Still has the same original hardware. You see the wires up in there? I need to get those secure. That's what will be coming along with my project. So I'm just going to get those secure, and I'll probably cut them back. Other than that, electricals are pretty good. Just need to straighten that out. One more thing I need to add on a note. The cord originally came out through the bottom brace there, and I just drilled a hole and I put it out through the side there. I thought that it was easier that way. It also had a longer range with the cord. Here's the power cord. Not the original, but I do still have the original power cord to this. And I really haven't changed it since I put this on there a long time ago. There's the Toastmaster badge. Go ahead and we'll get this thing plugged in now. Alright, we'll go ahead and we'll fire this thing up now. This has a decent high speed to it, even with the new blade on it. Drop it down to medium. Fan is very well balanced. There's hardly no vibration on it, so that's good. Okay, now we will drop it down to low. Okay, back to the high. Check the spin down. Spin down is still pretty decent on this, considering it's been well over 2 years since I oiled it. But knowing me, I'll probably oil it again for the heck of it. That's what I intend on doing in the next video of this. So, well, there you go, everybody. There is a fix up of my Toastmaster box fan. I hope that you all have enjoyed the video, and there shall be another video of this one. Thank you for watching, and over and out.